Hey everyone, welcome back. Looking for the best immersion blender to make creamy soups, smoothies, sauces, and baby food with ease? In today's video, I'm counting down the top 6 best immersion blenders that offer powerful performance, durability, and incredible value. Whether you're a home cook, fitness fan, or kitchen gadget enthusiast, there's a perfect blender waiting for you. Let's dive in. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know the latest prices and more detailed information about each product. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest top product reviews. Kitchen Product Insights.
Product number 1. Ninja Immersion Blender. Taking the number 1 spot is the Ninja Immersion Blender, a powerful kitchen companion designed for fast and effortless blending. Equipped with a high-performance motor and stainless steel blending shaft, it easily crushes fruits, vegetables, cooked meats, and ice for silky smoothies, soups, sauces, and purees. I really like how comfortable the ergonomic grip feels during extended use, while the variable speed trigger gives precise control over blending consistency. Cleanup is simple because the detachable blending arm is dishwasher safe. Whether I'm preparing protein shakes after a workout or creamy soup for dinner, this blender consistently delivers smooth results without taking up much kitchen space. Its compact design makes storage easy while still providing professional-level performance. If you're searching for the best immersion blender for smoothies, meal prep, or everyday cooking, the Ninja offers excellent reliability, power, and convenience, making it a fantastic investment for beginners and experienced home chefs alike.
Product number 2. Braun MultiQuick 7 3-in-1 Immersion Blender. Coming in at number 2 is the Braun MultiQuick 7 3-in-1 Immersion Blender, one of the most versatile hand blenders available. It combines blending, chopping, and whisking into one convenient appliance, making it ideal for busy kitchens. Braun's innovative active blade technology allows the blade to move up and down, providing smoother blending with less effort. I appreciate the easy smart speed control, which lets me adjust the power simply by squeezing the trigger harder or softer. From homemade mayonnaise and whipped cream to creamy soups and fruit smoothies, this blender handles nearly every task with impressive consistency. The splash control design also helps keep my countertops clean during use. Its premium construction, powerful motor, and multiple attachments make it an excellent choice for anyone who wants a multifunctional kitchen tool. For home cooks who value versatility, performance, and precision, the Braun MultiQuick 7 is a top-tier immersion blender worth considering.
Product number 3. Vitamix 5-Speed Immersion Blender. At number 3 is the Vitamix 5-Speed Immersion Blender, bringing the trusted Vitamix name into a compact, handheld design. Featuring 5 adjustable speed settings and a powerful motor, it provides exceptional control, whether I'm blending soups, sauces, smoothies, or pancake batter. The durable stainless steel blade creates smooth textures quickly, without leaving chunks behind. One feature I really enjoy is the comfortable ergonomic handle that makes longer blending sessions much easier. Its long blending shaft allows me to blend directly inside deep pots or large containers without transferring ingredients. The sturdy construction feels premium and built to last, matching the quality Vitamix is known for. This immersion blender is perfect for serious home cooks who want reliable performance without sacrificing convenience. If you're looking for a premium immersion blender with excellent blending precision, durable construction, and consistent results, the Vitamix 5-Speed is an outstanding option. Product number 4. Mueller Living Ultra Stick Immersion Hand Blender. Landing at number 4 is the Mueller Living Ultra Stick Immersion Hand Blender, an affordable yet surprisingly capable kitchen tool. Powered by a strong motor with multiple speed settings, it effortlessly blends soups, smoothies, baby food, sauces, and dressings. I like that it comes with several useful attachments, allowing me to whisk eggs, froth milk, and chop ingredients without purchasing separate appliances. The stainless steel construction feels durable, while the ergonomic handle offers a comfortable grip during use. Despite its budget-friendly price, the blending performance is smooth and consistent for everyday meal preparation. The detachable accessories are easy to remove and clean, making maintenance quick and simple. Its lightweight design also reduces hand fatigue during longer cooking sessions.
If you're searching for the best budget immersion blender that offers versatility, dependable performance, and great overall value, the Mueller Living Ultra Stick is definitely worth adding to your kitchen. Product number 5, GE Immersion Blender. Our fifth pick is the GE Immersion Blender, a dependable appliance designed for convenient, everyday blending tasks. It features a powerful motor with multiple speed options, allowing me to prepare smoothies, soups, sauces, dips, and baby food with ease. The stainless steel blending shaft offers excellent durability, while the ergonomic handle provides a comfortable, secure grip. I appreciate its balanced design, which minimizes splashing and makes blending directly inside pots or containers much easier. The detachable shaft simplifies cleaning, saving valuable time after meal preparation. Whether I'm creating healthy smoothies, mixing protein shakes, or preparing homemade sauces, the GE Immersion Blender consistently produces smooth and satisfying results. Its straightforward controls make it beginner-friendly, while still offering enough power for experienced home cooks. If you're looking for a reliable immersion blender that combines trusted brand quality with practical everyday performance, the GE model is certainly worth considering.
Product number 6, Ovente 300-watt Immersion Hand Blender. Rounding out our list at number 6 is the Ovente 300-watt Immersion Hand Blender, a compact and affordable option perfect for light daily blending. Powered by a 300-watt motor, it handles smoothies, soups, sauces, baby food, and soft ingredients efficiently. I really like its lightweight construction because it feels comfortable to hold even during longer blending sessions. The simple one-touch operation makes it incredibly easy to use, especially for beginners. Its slim design fits easily into kitchen drawers, making storage convenient for smaller kitchens. The detachable stainless steel blending shaft is easy to clean and built for everyday durability. While it may not be intended for heavy-duty blending, it performs exceptionally well for common household tasks. If you're shopping for an entry-level immersion blender that delivers dependable performance without spending too much, the Ovente 300 offers impressive value and practical functionality. Thanks for watching my top 6 best immersion blenders review. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more product reviews. Check the links in the description for current prices and more details.